talk a little bit more about the impact that you're making with your team? And if a startup were to come to your department, are there access points for them to be able to grow and scale as well?
Yeah, I kind of think the Cloud Innovation Center is one of Greater Phoenix's best kept secrets. Not a lot of people know that we exist. So what we are is that we are a no cost, no contract, rapid prototyping shop for public sector organizations. When I say public sector in Amazon terms, that means healthcare, state and local government, federal government, nonprofits. And just because we're based here, we're not geographically bound here. So meaning we're working with organizations all across the globe. The benefit of some of this is that at the end of these engagements is that we open source the solution framework. So we work with one particular, say, customer who has a pain point. We then assess, is this something that is just bespoke to you, or is this actually something that is void of a solution? If it's void of a solution, that fits great with us. And so how we end up operating is that we use students. Students are they're actual workers of our sector. This is not tied to a semester or a class or anything like that. They get paid an hourly wage to develop solutions against real world problems happening right now. They're building their resumes. They are also learning those soft skills, because when we do weekly agile development meetings, when we're in that development phase, is that it's the students that are driving that narrative every single time, and that meeting. They're developing the PowerPoints, they're walking through executives that are customers, through all of the moving parts. They're learning how to accept feedback. If they say like 35 times a sentence, we have a conversation about that at the end of the meeting so that they can have different tips and tricks to work on some of those skills, so that when they get done and out of the program and graduate from ASU and can no longer, sadly, work for us, is that they can work for you all. That they have those skills, they have the cloud skills against real world problems, and they have those soft skills and really ready to take on meaningful projects and meaningful work for startups, for big corporates, you name it. And so that's the gist of what we do at the center. Now the thing about what we also do is that we are putting all of our solutions, like I said, they're open source, so they live on GitHub. It's under an MIT license, so it's the most open of open. We encourage startups and anybody to take our solution framework. We have catalyzed the process to innovation for everybody. We are putting out there the entire roadmap. You can lay your own IP on top of what we have built and then commercialize it and sell it. We strongly encourage people to do that. In fact, that's what's happening. We built a solution, technology-based solution, to remediate PDF documents against some DOJ guidelines. Hundreds of organizations, of public sector organizations, are adopting this solution, and we have partners, technology partners, startups that took it, and now we're able to say, hey, they have built this solution. If you can't take open source code and put it into your own cloud environment, a lot of people can't, that's okay. We've got partners to help you do that. Or here's a SaaS-based solution that's built with our technology as the engine, and you can utilize our technology through that vein. So there's lots of ways to think about what we do. We also have a great space based at SkySong, so if anybody needs to hold an event or anything, give us a shout too. Maybe our space is open that night and we're happy to host you.
Amazing, the best kept secret is out now, so you got it on your door.